is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Wash the Bros Outdoors YouTube video. I'm in the beautiful city of Blowing Rock, North Carolina, and we're gonna be doing some fly fishing today. It's 7:30 in the morning and it's like 18 degrees. I'm freezing, but we got a beautiful walk-up place called Bull and Bear Vacation Rentals. It's super cool, right off the street. You walk right in. I'm fishing today with my dad, Mr. Scott Washley, so he'll be in his first video and fishing with me. We're going out with a guide because obviously we're not the best fly fishermen and we have a ton to learn, so hopefully he can acquire us with some knowledge we can use in the future, and I can carry over to some saltwater fly fishing and get better at it.
All right, you ready to roll? Let's roll.
All right, you guys, we have made it to our spot. We're here with the guide Mike. Woo! He is an Orvis guide out of Blowing Rock, so if you're ever in the Blowing Rock area, hit this guy up. I will put his contacts in the link below.
So what we want to do is cast it far up as we can. Mend it. Do you remember the term mend?
Yeah.
Mend it. And just follow it with our rod tip.
Okay.
So we're holding the fly rod. One thing to note is we always, see these two?
Yeah.
So we always want to have, see this yellow line? We always want to have this out of the tip.
Okay.
Okay? It's super important. Because in fly fishing, this is what we're actually throwing, is this line. This is this thick line, not this leader line. You're ready?
Yes.
So what I like to do is I like to have two fingers here and that thumb on top.
Okay.
That thumb on top, in my opinion, is the most important thing in fly fishing. Wherever that I push my thumb, that's where my flies are gonna go.
Okay.
Right? So I don't want to cast in there because, to be honest, I'll probably catch one. so we're gonna flip it out, right? So let's imagine that this is the end of my drift. We're all the way back here. We're bringing it up super slowly and we're stopped. All right? I'm stopped up here. And I'll kind of like still have my flies and my bobber like in the water. Does that make sense? So I'm not like bringing it. See how your dad's like whipping it back like that? That's not what you're supposed to do.
Okay.
What you want to do is you're here. And push it out.
Okay.
Does that make sense? I'll show you one time.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're here. Let's imagine that this is the end of my drift. What I'm gonna do is I got my line in hand. I'm bringing it up and I'm stopped. I like to wait for 2 seconds. Push that thumb to where I want those flies.
Okay.
I'm here. And stop. Push those thumbs. I'm extending my arm out.
So you're not giving or taking any line?
No.
Okay.
Now you can. Let's say I need some more line. All I gotta do is pull some more out. And I just give it a little wiggle. See, I'm just wiggling that line.
Yeah.
Then I bring it back up. Push it to where I want it. Bend it and follow that with my rod tip.
Okay.
All right.
How do you set the hook, or
Right
what's
over your right shoulder.
Okay.
So what I like to say is I pick up the phone. So I'm here. I have my arm extended out. That's how my arm should always be.
Okay.
When I'm letting it drift. If that bobber goes down or ticks, I want you to pick up the phone. Get some more line out. Alright, now pick it up slow. Cast it all the way up to that. Yeah, nice. He's under. Triple fast. Alright, we gotta go twice as fast.
Twice as fast.
Yep. Nice brown is under it. Fast. Yep, I like that. cast, dude. You can cast. One more, shoot it. My dad had problems. He's fine. Big time to shoot out. Yeah, buddy, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, no. Broke you off? Yeah. Strip. All right, let him run if he wants to. Good. You can put him on the reel if you want to.
Whoa. Boone, what's going on? I don't think so. All right, guys, we finished fishing at the first spot. We caught one, what was it, a rainbow or brown trout? Big brown trout. And we're headed to do some creek fishing now. Before we were doing some nymphing and throwing streamers. So we caught our one big brown trout and went to lunch with the guide, and now we're moving on to the next spot. Now we're gonna hit some streams and try and target some smaller fish, but hopefully have some more activity.
Alright, fish it. Lower that rod tip a little bit. Good. Remember, you're setting over your right shoulder.
Right shoulder, right.
Downriver.
Now that we're on this side, we want to set it on this way.
Correct. Sit. Could be a rock. Alright, try to let some line out. Yeah, I like it there. I like it. Biggest brown trout I've ever caught was in this ripple.
Oh.
Wild brown trout. I'd make like one false cast and shoot it.
Okay, so go.
Shoot it.
Need some work.
Alright. Set. There he is. Stay tight. Strip. That's good fish. Strip. Good fish. Really good fish. Stay tight. Hey, remember you're on the mountain test now.
Okay.
That's a really good fish. All right.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Yes!
Beautiful rainbow.
Let's go!
Nice job. Here, I got my.
A wild rainbow.
That's a nice. Remember when I said if you catch a fish over 8 inches?
Yeah.
That's over 8 inches.
Heck yeah. That was dope.
Look Look how clean that fish is.
Healthy.
Nice. Try that again. The fly's just getting wet. A little bit closer to that other bank still.
Dad just hooked up.
Oh!
Yeah! Nice job!
Okay.
Dad's first wild trout. Nice job. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. We will be doing a giveaway to give back to y'all for the holiday season. The first place winner will get a Washley Bros hat, one of these two colors they get to pick, and a $50 Bass Pro Shops gift card. And the second place will get the other hat that the other person does not choose. To enter the giveaway, you will follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube, and then we will post a picture tomorrow on Instagram when our YouTube video is posted. On New Year's Day, we will be doing an Instagram Live with us spinning the wheel with everyone's name who enters the giveaway to see who wins. It'll be an app. It won't be like a literal wheel. We should do that. Just get a huge wheel.